Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view tax forms in Citizens Bank app. Open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, log in with your user ID and password. Now you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. After that, you will be able to see several options on the left-hand menu. Tap on the option that says Document Center. On the Document Center screen, you will see 3 tabs which are Statements, Check Images, and Tax Forms. Tap on Tax Forms. Now you can choose the year of the tax forms you wish to view. To continue, tap on the tab that says Year. Now you can select the year for which you wish to view your tax forms. Choose the year by tapping on it. And now you will be able to see the tax forms for the year you selected. However, in this case, there are no tax forms because I didn't earn any interest during that period. That's how you view your tax forms in Citizens Bank app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.